Canada will build a brand new type of warship for its navy. It is called the Continental Defence Corvette. These ships will replace the old Kingston-class vessels that have protected Canada's coasts for nearly 30 years. The new corvettes are tougher, smarter, and ready for today's challenges. The Kingston-class ships entered service in the 1990s. Canada built 12 of them. They are small coastal defense vessels, often called maritime coastal defense vessels. Their main jobs included patrolling close to shore, clearing mines, training sailors, and helping with search and rescue. Over the years, they did much more than expected. They crossed the Atlantic, joined drug interdiction missions in the Caribbean, and supported operations far from home. But time has caught up. The ships are getting old. Retirement started in late 2025, and the last ones will leave service by 2028. The Navy needs modern replacements right away. That is where the Continental Defence Corvette comes in. The Royal Canadian Navy is planning to buy 16 to 20 of these new ships. The whole program is expected to cost about $5 billion. It is still in the early stages. Recently, the Navy held a briefing for industry and said it would soon send out a request for information. This step helps Canadian companies share ideas on how to build the ships. The goal is to get the first new corvette into the water as quickly as possible. Navy leaders hope for the early 2030s. The world is changing. Threats to North America are growing. More countries are active in the Arctic. Submarines and other ships can appear near Canadian waters. At the same time, the Navy wants to keep its bigger, more powerful River-class destroyers free for high-end combat missions far away. The new corvettes will handle everyday jobs close to home so the destroyers can focus on bigger threats. The Continental Defence Corvette is designed as a true multi-mission ship. It will be much more capable than the Kingston-class. Official descriptions say it will have the fight of the Halifax class, meaning it will carry real weapons like the current frigates. It can hunt submarines, anti-submarine warfare, fight enemy surface ships, and protect Canadian waters. It will have a long range of about 7,000 nautical miles and be able to stay at sea for 30 days of patrol. The ships will also operate right up to the edge of Arctic ice. They are expected to be roughly 100 meters long with a sleek modern look, low-profile superstructure to reduce radar signature, advanced radars and sensors, and space for helicopters or unmanned drones. These corvettes will do many important jobs. They will patrol Canada's coasts. They will help enforce sovereignty, making sure other countries respect Canada's control over its waters and resources. Search and rescue, environmental protection, and support for disaster response will also be part of their daily work. They can carry unmanned systems, drones in the air or underwater, for extra eyes and ears. Some ideas even include vertical launch systems for missiles and modular mission bays that can change depending on the task. The Royal Canadian Navy has been clear about what he wants. He calls the new ships Canadian from the core. That means they will be designed, built, and equipped right here in Canada. This approach supports Canadian shipyards and workers. Groups like Team Vigilance, involving Ontario shipyards, are already showing interest in building them. Building at home also makes it easier to maintain the ships for many decades. The corvettes will work together with Canada's other new ships. The bigger River-class destroyers and the Arctic offshore patrol ships, Harry de Wolf-class, will form a stronger overall fleet. Together, they will help defend the continent under NORAD and show allies that Canada is serious about security. Of course, challenges remain. Shipbuilding in Canada has faced delays in the past. The Navy is pushing hard to move fast this time. The government is also increasing defense spending overall, which helps pay for programs like this one. For ordinary Canadians, these new corvettes mean better protection of our long coastlines, safer Arctic waters, and a stronger navy that can respond quickly when needed. They are not giant battleships, but they are practical, flexible, and powerful enough for real-world missions. In the end, the Continental Defence Corvette is a smart step forward for Canada's defence. These new ships will guard our waters, support our allies, and keep Canada safe in a more uncertain world. The first steel has not yet been cut, but the future fleet is already taking shape on the drawing board. The new Continental Defence Corvette represents an exciting upgrade for the Royal Canadian Navy. Versatile, combat-capable, and built in Canada for Canadian needs.